Sunrise here tastes like the sea. Everyone moves with the tide.
3 breakfasts, 1 island morning.
Briny, sweet, perfect for porridge.
A smile is part of the deal.
Sound means comfort.
Ăn gì em? One bowl extra pepper, please. Look at those oysters drop in.
Green on top, sea underneath.
Then briny.
This like the shoreline.
No fuss, just fuel and joy.
Dip it, crunch moots cream. Perfect 2-texture bite.
Cảm ơn.
First quest done.
Next, noodles with a sea-sweet broth.
Bún tôm, Hải Phòng morning hot.
Sweetness is all shrimp. In and out. Keep it bouncy.
That pour is everything. Sweet, spicy, and sea fresh.
Light brought big flavor.
A little lime, now it sings.
This is the kind of bowl locals got.
When there's a line, it's real.
Listen, this is morning.
Food and fishing share the same street.
Next, we chase crab dap.
Freshness is measured in seconds.
This bowl is a legend up here.
That noodle color is unmistakable.
Everything set. Now the magic.
Here, you sit first, then the bowl arrives.
That crab paste is pure depth.
Wait for the pour. This is the moment.
That's the island's comfort right there.
Smell that shallot hit the steam.
Little lime, now it opens up.
That chew is the whole point.
Crab sweetness, so gentle.
Tofu holds the broth like a secret.
That broth is pure North Coast soul.
Everyone here for the same warmth.
How early do you start? Before sunrise?
Vâng, chúng tôi bắt đầu rất sớm, khoảng 3 giờ sáng.
Clean pot, clear broth, always.
Last sip. That's the finish line.
Thanks, hẹn gặp lại tomorrow. Em.
Small respect, big warmth.
Let's find the breakfast spot locals whisper about.
Hidden lanes always feed you best.
Bánh mì que, small but mighty.
That spread is pure comfort.
Xong. Just a little spice, done. Fresh shrimp, smells clean, not fishy.
Two things that wake any bowl.
Seasoning is a conversation.
Oyster, shrimp, crab, our breakfast compass.
Tiny prep, huge impact.
Blink and the breakfast world closes.
Morning service ends like a ritual.
Okay, new corner, new smell.
Whatever's in there, I need it. Okay, this is a secret corner.
Look at that silky pull.
Savory toppings make it serious.
Đủ chưa?
Just a thin drizzle, perfect.
This is pure northern comfort. How is it this simple and this good?
No tourists, just regulars.
This is the coziest sound.
Cảm ơn. Mai lại nhá.
Tomorrow morning, same lane.
Breakfast starts long before sunrise.
Tonight's simmer is tomorrow's bowl.
Order makes speed in the morning.
Keep it cold, keep it right.
Soak now, simmer Isa later.
Same spot every morning.
Slow heat makes honest broth.
Clear broth, clean hands.
And just like that, it's morning again.